Welcome guys, so today I am with OPPO Enco X and I'm going to show you how you can pair these earbuds to your Android smartphone. So the first, you have to grab this charging case. You have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. At the bottom you will find the input for the USB-C cable, and when you open the case this indicator will be activate. As you can see in my case, they are already in the pairing mode. So right now when I open the Bluetooth settings, they will be visible. So take a look. Open the Bluetooth settings on your Android smartphone, enable Bluetooth with this switcher, and then take a look on available devices. If it is working like in my case, you will get them right here. But if they are not in the pairing mode, you have to click and hold this button on the right side until this indicator right here start blinking. Just like that. After that, you can release. Don't close this case and select your OPPO Enco X. Accept pairing request. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. Indicator is not blinking and we are linked with our headphones. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.